Hello all and welcome to Thrived Solution. In today's session, we'll be seeing a small demonstration regarding the filters and slices. How are these filters and slices applied in a visualization? So this is the small demonstration where we are going to see today. So here, let me select a table as we have already got the data from the Excel. So let me select the table as a visualization and let me select some columns as the employee name, the department. So here in the table, you can see the employee name and the department. But we need to know in each department or how many names are starting with the alphabet A, B, or C. For that, we will add a slicer. So let's select a slicer. In this slicer, since we already generated a field as employee first name. So once you select the employee first name, you can see the employee's first letter where it's been sorted out with the alphabets from A to Z. So if I click on this slicer, if I select the alphabet A, you can see the page is interactive. At the table where you can see the employee's name, whose name starts with A, concern to other departments where all the name of the employee gets reflected, and here the employee count gets changed. So here the page is completely interactive. Whether the visualizations are different, but the page becomes completely interactive. For example, if I click on the sales management, you can see in particular department and the employee name starting with A, there are only two, and the department of sales management, and you can see the employee count. Similarly, if I randomly select the other letter as L, we see with only one name, and they are belong with the sales management. So this is how these slicers and filters work. And there is the other option where you can see the other option is how does the page become interactive. Okay, so to this, in this way, where you have an option, as we know, the filters, they are classically of three types. We have visual filter, the page filter, the report filter, and drill to filter. Apart from this, we have the filters, filter on the visuals, filter on this page, filters on all pages. So I would like to go with the filter on this visual. So with the employee name, once I click on this, it gives a basic filter type. But once I want to go with the top 5. So in the top 5 names where you have, what would you like to go with along? So I would like to go with the top 5. And what is the value you would like to have? So if I click on the employee salary, it basically applies here. And what is the top 5 of this salary's name? Okay, by the value of employee salary. So this is the other example of the filter. How does it goes and it displays? Since we are not aware of this employee's data particularly, because of that, the salary is not getting reflected over here. Okay. And next, no, I would like to go with advanced filtering, where it gives the conditional operation where you want to write whether it contains is function, is not functions. Based on the functional, where you'd like to go with the and function or function. This is related to the filters on this particular visual. And if you would like to add filters on this page where it reflects complete to the employee, as we have the page name as employee count, where it gets affected to the complete employee count page. No, if I would like to add the filters on all the pages, then since we have two pages as employee count and duplicate count, so it gets affected for the both the pages when you add some filters or slicers. So this is the other topic. So let's connect with the other topic in the next session. Thank you.